Hello students, welcome back into my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how we find the solutions of exercise 8A and exercise 8B of IB Mathematics book for those standard level students. Okay, let's start with number one. Which of these graphs show periodic behavior? If you look number 1A, Number 1A, look that this graph repeats itself, okay, from this point until this corner point, repeat, and so on. So it means this graph, 1A, is a periodic graph. Okay. How about 1B? 1B as well, look that this graph, repeat, okay, and so on. So as well, this graph is a periodic graph. How about C? C, look at this graph, repeat, till here, repeat, and so on. So it means this graph is a periodic graph. How about D? D is not a periodic graph. Why? Because this graph never returns, it never repeats from this uh, point, yeah, from negative 0.5. Yeah, so it is not periodic graph. Next, E. E is a periodic graph. Why? Because it is repeat. Okay, it is repeat. So E is a periodic graph. About F. F as well. It is a periodic graph. So it is repeat until here, repeat. Okay, so it is a periodic graph. So about G. G is not a periodic graph. And as well, H. Why? Because G and H graph never repeat, never return from the origin, from the original, from the first coordinate point. Okay, let's continue to number two. Number two, Paul spun the wheel of his bicycle. The following table failures show the height above the ground of a point on the wheel at various times. You may look at this data. So A, plot the graph of height against time. Right. This is the graph. Okay. So actually this graph came from x-axis and y-axis is y-axis and x-axis. But in this graph, y-axis as high above ground in centimeters, and as well, and this x-axis as time in second. Right. Now look, let's go to that point first, 0, 0, at the origin, and then 0.2, 6, this one, and then 0.4, 23, this one, this correct point. This is the 0.4 and 23. Wait, I'm going to scroll down. Okay. Okay, this is 0.4. It's a 0.4, and this is 23. Yeah, and so on until 4 and 3. 4, this is 4, comma 3. Yeah. This is coordinate point 3.8, comma 9. Okay. So after you find all the coordinates point, connecting all coordinates point, and you can create a graph like this. Yeah. Right. I'm going to continue to to number uh, B. Okay. So answer number 2B. 2B. Is it reasonable to fit curve to this data? Of course. Yeah. This data, this data fit, or should we leave? No need to leave. So B. Yeah. The curve. The curve can can be fit. Okay. To the data. Next, C. The equations of the principal axis. The principal axis equations we can find through this rule that's maximum data plus minimum data over 2. So maximum data 64 plus 0 over 2. This 64, which one? 64 with, okay, this one 64 and 0. Okay, so 64 over 0 equals 32. Yeah, so this the equations of a principal axis, right? Now let's continue to, yeah, C2. Okay, C2, right? The maximum value, of course, maximum value 64 centimeters. 3, the period. Okay, the period from origin to this coordinate point. So the period is 2 seconds. Or for the amplitude, the amplitude formula is y. Sorry, not y. The amplitude, okay, the amplitude equals maximum point minus minimum point over uh, over 2 equals 64 minus 0 over 2 equals 32 centimeters. Okay, right, right. Move to number 2. Plot the points for each data set below. Is there any evidence to suggest the data is periodic? Okay. First, the first graph, of course, is one y, like the graph on number 2 that connecting all, find the coordinate point first on this Cartesian graph, and after that identify whether periodic or no. So origin 0, 0 here, and after that this coordinate point is 1, 1. Yeah, this is 1, and after that 2.1, 1.2, 1.4. This is 2, and 1.4 here. Okay, until you find 12, comma 0. This one, 12, comma 0. Okay. And if you look this graph behavior, actually this graph repeat. Yeah. It repeat, yeah, from this point, okay, until 0 and repeat. Okay. So this data or uh, this graph is a periodic graph. Okay. Next, number to be number to be it means this one. Uh, if we find the pairs of coordinate points, you can find this graph. Okay. So from these pairs of coordinate point, okay, B to B and number 3B, okay, this the graph. And pay attention that this graph not repeat. Yeah. Okay. Look until here and okay. And goes to 10 from 8 to 10. If it goes to 4.5 again, or going to this coordinate point, yeah, we can say that uh, that this graph would be repeat. Okay, if this graph like this, okay, and again, yeah, goes uh, to the upside, okay, it will this graph will be. We can say that this graph is the periodic graph, but on this condition, this graph is not the periodic graph. Yeah. Okay, that's number 3B of this exercise. We are going to continue to find the solutions of exercise 8B. Exercise 8B. Below is an accurate graph of y equals sine theta. The graph is an A. Find the y-intercept of the graph. The y-intercept of the graph, of course, this one, okay, on this coordinate point, origin. So the y-intercept of the graph is 0, because this 0, 0, right? Find the values of theta on this interval, theta greater than or equals 0, less than or equals 4 pi. So from this point to this point, yeah, from 0 to 4 pi, right? I'm gonna scroll down first, right? For which 1 sine theta equals 0. Look, if sine theta, this graph of sine theta, which one? Sine theta equals 0. Sine theta equals 0. This one. This one. Okay, 4 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So sine theta values equals 0 on 0 itself, pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, and 4 pi. So the answer is, yeah, fun. 0, pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, and 4 pi. I'm going to writing here with 1b, 0, pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, and 4 pi. Right. B1. Okay, B2. If sine theta equals -1, sine theta equals -1. Wait, sine theta equals -1. This is -1. Okay, and this is 1. Okay, sine theta equals -1 on this current point and this current point. So sine theta equals -1 on 3 pi over 2 and 7 pi over 2. Right. So B2 on 3 pi over 2. Okay. And 7 pi over 2. Right. Now C. Oh, sorry, B3. Okay, B3. If sine theta equals half, if sine theta equals half, look, I'm going to show you half or 0.5. This one, okay, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, no need, not including this one because just until 4 pi. So to make you easier to identify that point, I'm gonna show you that we find this point. Actually, this point is 1/6. Okay, 1/6 pi. This is 2 pi over 6. This is 3 pi over 6. So on 4 pi, 4 pi over 6. This is 5 pi over 6. This is 7. This is 6 pi over 6. This is 7, and so on. Now, identify this one. This is actually a pi over 6. This is 5 pi over 6. And this one, if this is 12 pi over 6, it means 13. Yeah, 13 pi over 6, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and this one 17. 17 pi over 6. Yeah. So 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Let's we scroll down and write things. B3 are pi over 6, 5 pi over 6, 13 pi over 6, and 17 pi over 6. Now, V4, if sine theta equals square root 3 over 2. Okay. I'm going to clean first. Okay. Square root 3 over 2. Okay, square root 3 over 2. If you convert to decimal, actually that is 0.9. And the point here, positive 0.9. It means the coordinate here, 1, 2, okay, 3, 4. Okay. This is 1, 2, this is 3 pi over 6. This is 4 pi over 6, and this one 12 over 6, 14. Yeah, 14 pi over 6. This one 16 pi over 6. Okay, so before, okay, r, okay, 3 pi over 6, or pi over 2, okay, half it, and then 4 pi over 6, or 2 pi third. What else? 14 pi over 6, or 7 pi third, and then 16 pi over 6, or 8 pi third. Okay, next. C, find the intervals of theta greater than or equal 0, less than or equal 4 pi, whereas sine theta is positive. Okay. We're gonna look at this graph. I'm gonna clean first. Is sine theta positive? Okay. Okay. Sine theta positive as long as this, okay, this interval, sorry. Okay. As long as this interval, okay, and this interval. Yeah, because look, the values of sine theta from 0 to positive and until here 0 again, and this one as well, this interval 0 and 0 again. Yeah, so this interval is theta, okay, less than sorry, greater than 0, okay, less than pi, and this interval theta greater than 2 pi, less than 3 pi. Yeah. So we may writing now that C, okay, the interval theta greater than 0, less than pi, and theta greater than 2 pi. Yeah, 2 pi and less than 3 pi. Okay. Define the ring negative if positive. Okay, is C1, C2. If sine theta negative, okay. So if sine theta negative, okay, this interval. Yeah, because as long as this interval, the values of sine theta in negative area below of 0. And as well, this interval. So this interval, theta greater than pi, less than 2 pi, and this interval, theta greater than 3 pi, less than 4 pi. Okay. Pi, yeah, pi to 2 pi, and 3 pi, okay, to 4 pi. Now define the range of the functions. Okay, the range of the functions, if you look, okay, the range of the function, the maximum is 1, and the minimum is -1. Okay, so the interval from -1 to 1. You can writing the interval r, ry, uh, which y greater than or equal -1, less than or equal 1. Yeah. Okay. Let's continue to 2. Below is an accurate graph of cosine theta. If just now sine theta, now cosine theta. All right. Find this intercept, the y-intercept of graph. This the y-intercept. The y-intercept 1. Okay. Find the values of theta on theta greater than or equal 0 and less than or equal 4 pi, for which cosine theta equals 0. If cosine theta equals 0, this the numbers. Yeah, the values. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 values. So B1, okay, B1 are, yeah, pi over 2, 3 pi over 2, 5 pi over 2, and yeah, 7 pi over 2. Okay, B2. If cosine theta equals 1, look, that's 1, 2, yeah, only 2. 1, 2, 3 here. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 3 points. So it that are 0, 2 pi, and 4 pi. Yeah. So sine 0 equals cosine 0 equals 1, cosine 2 pi equals 1, cosine 4 pi equals 1. Yeah, sorry. Okay. Next, if cosine theta equals negative 0.5, negative half, this one, negative 0.5 cosine theta, it means 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. This is, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 over 6. Okay. This is 4 over 6. 4 pi over 6. This is 4, 5, 6, yeah, 7, 8. This is 8 pi over 6. And this one, uh, okay, 8 plus 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. This 16 pi over 6. And then this one, 16, 17, 18, 19. This 20, 20 pi over 6. Okay. So the solutions for B3, okay, for B3, R 4 pi over 6, okay, 4, 8, 16, 20, okay, 4 pi over 6, or you may simplify becomes 2 pi third, okay, and after that 4, 8, sorry, 8 pi over 6, you may simplify becomes 4 pi third, and then after that 16, yeah, 16 pi over 6, you may simplify becomes 8 pi third, and 20 pi over 6, you may simplify becomes 10 pi third. Okay. Part 4 is 1 if cosine theta equals negative 1 over square root 2. Okay. Wait. I'm going to clean first. Sorry. Yeah. Okay. If cosine 1 over square root 2. Okay. If 1 over uh, negative square root 2 in calculator, you may divide 1 over 1 divided, wait, I'm going to check 1 over square root 2, yeah, equals 0.7. Yeah, equals negative, it means negative 0.7. So find negative 0.7 is 0.5, 0.7 around here. Okay, so it means the values of cosine, the values of cosine this, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so for uh, this is, we can divide becomes 4. Okay, this is 1/4. This is 2/4, 3/4. Okay, it is 3 pi 4. And after that, this is, okay, 4 over 4. And this is 5 pi 4. Okay, this is 5, and this is 6. Yeah, 6 over 4. Okay, and this 6, and as well this becomes 4. Okay, okay, and this one 7. Yeah, this one 7. Yeah, this is 8, 4. Yeah. Wait. Oh, this is 7. It means this 8. Yeah. Sorry. 6, 7, 8. And this 9. Okay. And 9, 10. I mean, not 9, but 10, because 9 is 1. Okay. Yeah, right. And so it means wait, solutions, part 4 are, okay, 3 pi. Wait, I'm gonna check 3 pi. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It's not 8, but 11, sorry. 11 by 11, 12, 13. Sorry, it's 13 actually. Yeah, 13. 3, 5, 11, 13. Okay, okay, 3 pi, 5 pi, 11 pi, and 13 pi. Okay. See, find the intervals of theta of pi, of theta, if theta, if this interval from 0 to 4 pi, if positive, if cosine positive. Okay, right. If cosine positive, I'm gonna clean first. If cosine positive, the intervals look, yeah, until here. If cosine positive, the intervals first this, okay, 0 to, yeah, to pi over 2, and this one, oh, I mean, not like that. Sorry. This is, yeah, theta greater than 0, less than pi over 2. This is theta greater than 3 pi over 2, less than 5 pi 2. And this one, theta, greater than 7 pi over 2, less than 4 pi. Yeah. That's for cosine positive. So how about if cosine negative? If cosine negative, okay. If cosine negative, the interval, this, the interval, yeah, theta greater than pi over 2, less than 3 pi over 2, and this interval as well, theta greater than 5 pi over 2, less than 7 pi over 2. Okay. Yeah. Next, the next question. Find the range of the function. The range of the functions, of course, the range of this function The maximum is 1 and the minimum is negative 1. So the answer this uh, are the maximum are y, which y greater than or equal negative 1, less than or equal 1. Okay. Okay, students, thank you for joining with me in this lesson. Don't forget to click like and subscribe for this video. Bye.